So for today, we are reviewing the Ugreen Nexode 2500 or sorry, 2500 milliamp fast charging power bank, and it's rated at 200 watts. You can see here. So I got this from Lazada for about 3,199 pesos. Originally roughly about 4,000 pesos, but they got tons of discount. So let's see what we have for today. So as you can see, concealed, but you can easily remove that. Let's power up together. So the reason why I bought this is basically to power my Starlink Mini. And truth to be told, I got tons of power banks, but the problem with my existing power bank is I could not take them to a flight because they are way beyond the 100 watt hours. And this one is just simply under 100 watt hours, 25,000 milliamp, probably translate to about something like 80 watt hours or something. I don't know, like we'll see. So this comes with the charger or with the power bank itself. So it has that nice smiley face and it has 29% right out of the box, nothing plugged in. So we will set that aside for now. As you can see, more manuals, chargers, and stuff. Accessory box. All right, so it has this nice cover to it so that you can store your power bank and the USB-C. So that's it. That's on the box. That's all there is to it. Again, this is just a quick unboxing. I'll review this powering up my Starlink Mini in the next video. Thanks.